I got this for free.
JoeteckTips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land.
Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we have a 42,800 milliamp solar charged battery pack. Now, has interesting cables. They're built in. They have two Type-C and a lightning cable. So this is a common feature of a lot of these battery banks. And then you have a USB on the side for charging. It's pretty long. My problem is cables that are built in will break. So I'm not a big fan of the built-in cables. It also offers options. Here you have Type A, Type C for in and out charging, and lightning for in. Now, the charging capability of this is, let me rewind here for a second. 42,800 is false. It's 13,000, almost 14,000 milliamp. I don't know why they are lying. It's not 42,800. Far from it. Now, the charging capability of this is only at a half an amp. And at 13,000, almost 14,000 milliamps, it took 36 hours to charge. That is unacceptable. And I keep telling people, I already made a video. I'll have it up here, and up here if you want to check it out. It's the same video as this. This is 100% gimmick. This is not practical. Do not buy, I repeat, do not buy battery banks with solar charging. It's a waste of money. It's a gimmick. This is 1 watt. You know how long, if this was really 42,800 milliamp hour, do you know how long it would take to charge this? Now, we can't say 100% efficiency because solar panels are not, so we got to drop it down to 70%. At 6 hours a day, it'll take this just about 43 days to charge this. If it was truly 42,800 milliamps. That's a bunch of crap. It's a waste. It's a gimmick. This is not 42,800. It's a bunch of crap. I've taken this thing apart. It's actually lithium polymer. It's not even lithium LiFePO4 like you would typically hope with the like 18650 cells or 21700 cells. This has lithium battery packs on it. It's a joke. It's an absolute joke. However, there are two flashlights on this thing. If you press and hold, they turn on. And then if you press it again, you get SOS. And if you press it again, you have flashing. And you press and hold, and you shut it off. The other thing that I find pointless in such a device, it has a laser pointer. If you double tap quickly the power button, it turns on and off the laser pointer. I find this being a gimmick as well. What do you need a laser pointer for? What is outdoor? What, you got to point to something in the distance? Look, there's a deer. As much as I would love to boast about this, this is an absolute waste of money. $40 for absolute garbage. I got this for free. I took it apart. The soldering capability inside of this thing is absolutely shit. There's no way this was done professionally. It looks like crap. I'm not a big fan of it. Will I use it? Absolutely not. It's a shame because it's a 100% gimmick. I have another one of these. I don't even use it. It's so stupid. And I repeat, do not use this in the car. You come out to your car on fire. This is designed for camping only, outdoors, direct sunlight. I'm repeating myself. You'll come out to a car on fire if you leave this on the dashboard and charge it. This will get so hot, you wouldn't even be able to touch it. Do not, because of the UV light removal from the front windshield, this will get so freaking hot. Not even joking. It's a waste because it's only 1 watt. So why bother? It's stupid. It's a gimmick. I've said this multiple times. Do not waste your time or money. This company is called Goodaaa. I will have a link below for other battery banks that do not have a solar charger in them, because this is a waste of time. It's not worth it. It will not do anything. You people are going to be complaining, why is it not charging? Why? Because it doesn't. It's a piece of shit. It's a fucking gimmick. Don't fucking waste your time. It's a waste. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Also, there is a thermometer, a temperature gauge on here that is 100% inaccurate. It doesn't say the temperature of anything. If it says the temperature of the battery, I mean, it's so wacky. I stick this in the freezer, and when I pulled it out, it said 50 degrees. My freezer is 0. Really? Why have a thermometer on here if it's not going to display the correct temperature? It's pointless. This is a 100% gimmick. Stay away from it. It's a piece of crap. It's $40. I will have a link in the description below, and unless you don't care about what I think and you think I'm full of crap, buy it. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.
In the world of lights and bits, where tech can make a strip, there's a guru with a knack for every digital tip. JoeteckTips the name, he's the one you'll seek. From gadgets to software, he's the one you'll meet. So if your tech's in a tangle, don't you fear. JoeteckTips here, let his advice draw near. With his help, you'll surely find in this digital world peace of mind. JoeteckTips, he's the man with the plan, guiding us through the digital land. With his wisdom and his wit, every tech will
This is not designed for in the car. Sorry. This is not designed for in the car charging. Oh my God.